Choosing the right password manager is more important than ever. But don't worry, I have got you covered with two topics. One is premium with a free trial, and the other is 100% free forever. Stay with me till the end because you will see exactly which one is perfect for you. First, let's kick out things off with 1Password, one of the most trusted premium password manager out there. The best part is you will get 14-day trial free with no credit card required, so you can test all the premium features without commitment. After downloading, let's go ahead and install it quickly on our laptop. Yes, I want to install 1Password, and here I have to create a free account with 1Password. Let's go ahead and create account. I wanna skip adding an extension for now. Let me give the name and the email address. Next. Here, the 6-digit code sent on my email. Let me put that. And I'm ready to click next and set up the password for my 1Password account. Let's go next. Now scroll down to the bottom and I wanna continue without adding a payment method. Now let's go to desktop app and sign in with my email. Once I click next, this will ask me the password and a secret key because 1Password has a great security. Let's go ahead, generate the secret key, and now we have to save secret key as a PDF. Let's save it on my desktop. Now let's go and copy this secret key and put it back into 1Password and sign in. I am getting sign in to 1Password to check their free trial. I don't want to check Windows Hello for now. To add 1Password extension, open up your any browser and just search for it. Just go ahead and add extension to your browser, either it's Chrome or any other, and that's it with the extension ready. Autofilling password is instant, and thanks to VatchOver, you'll always know if any of your logins are weak, reused, or compromised. Alright, now let's move to a tool that's trusted by millions and offers a powerful free plan. It's called Bitwarden. While there is a premium version with some extras, the free plan gives you everything most people need. And yes, it's free to use with no time limits and forced upgrades. Just go ahead and follow step-by-step instruction to download and install it as showing on my screen. Once installed, please go ahead and create a Bitwarden account. Enter your email, enter your name, and click on continue. Once your account is created, go to your email and verify your account with the link sent you over your email. Now here you have to give the master password, confirm the master password, and then you could also add the master password hint. And yes, we want to check for non-breaches for this password. And that's perfect. You could see now we are logged in to Bitwarden successfully. And here is our desktop app. Let's go ahead and log in here as well. Now let's set up Bitwarden browser extension, which is where you will use it the most day to day. Head over to Chrome Web Store or your preferred browser add-on page and search for Bitwarden. Add extension to Chrome and then install it and log in with the account you just have created. Once you are logged in, the extension gives you instant access to your vault. You can generate strong password, autofill login forms, and even save new credential with just a click. Before we wrap up, let me show you this directly from Bitwarden's website. That right here on the pricing page, you can see it clearly. Create your free account, get unlimited devices access, passkey management, and all core feature always free for lifetime. No tricks, no trials, just a reliable password manager you can actually depend on. And just to prove it, here I am logged into my free account using everything you have seen in this video. No payment required and nothing's locked behind the paywall. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the bell icon for more straightforward and useful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.